Welcome to the entry form builder created in Excel. Easily create your entry form for payroll, employee list, customer list, and more. Mark fields as required, allow no duplicates, and also sum totals. Create formulas within your entry form so you can do more with it. Easily insert an employee list and set up your form to handle payroll calculations for your employees. Getting started with the entry form builder is as easy as listing your field names, creating any formulas you may need for entry form and field name, setting your requirements, naming your database, and then applying the settings. Tab through your entry form and have it automatically post the data, or you can manually post the data by clicking a button. The entry form will check that all required fields have been entered and will also check fields that allow no duplicate data. You can easily edit your records within the database, or if you need to use formulas that were attached to your entry form, you can edit a record in the entry form instead by double-clicking on a specific record and moving it back to the entry form. That is a quick overview of what you can do with the entry form builder. If you are looking to set up an entry form that allows you to insert drop-downs, create formulas, and apply validation rules before posting a record, then be sure to check out the entry form builder.